Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing you guys the top best short keys for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. First is called Watermelon, Apple Watch style, lock screen for iPhone and widgets, and more. Next is called Zephy, absolutely zero click to play automatically from Spotify. It says default play as much as possible. There are many tweets out there. As you requires none of your interaction to play from Spotify, even works without you need to unlock your device first. Automatically play your last track from Spotify when tap the play button on the control center. I have activated extensions. You can automatically play from Spotify when AirPods and the headset is connected. So pretty cool. Next is called Colorizer. Change our settings colors as you wish. Next is called Skinny Settings. Make your settings minimal or sleek and more. Next is called Lyricify. Access lyrics for your songs directly on your lock screen. Next is called Fonts for Tools. Helper tool for fonts for tweets. This is called NFC Writer ets in scan, write, copy, format, emulate, serve, scan your NFC tags. Next is called Emerald, status bar, pillows, and platters. Next week is called HS widgets. Add today widgets or custom widgets to the home screen. Next is called YouTube Reborn. It's YouTube Customizer, and also it's now version 1.0.9.0. This version now comes with a video downloading option for YouTube. Next is called Perfect Battery, and moves battery icon, adds percentage labels for notched iPhones. Next tweet is called Dath Keys, and redefine the color of your keyboard through your own eyes. Next tweet is called CC Counters, timers from your control center. So you can see right here, you have a timer right there from the control center. Next is called Battery Flow Reborn version 1.3. Customize your low power alerts. Next is called Pass By. Compatible with iOS 9 through 14. Open source tweak gives you many passcode customization options. Next is called Convert CK. And hide and mute conversations in the Messages app. The next is called iBlacklist. Compatible with iOS 4 through 11. Best firewall for iMessages, call, FaceTime, SMS, MMS, available for the iDevices. So blocks FaceTime, iMessages, and runs on iPad and iPod. So you can select who you want to receive calls and messages from. Next is called libnebs, library for themes commonly used in my tweets, or nebs. Next is called C Sources 2, covered with all devices iOS 6 to 11. Gives it to Cydia Sources Manager that allows full control over your sources. So these features right here. Next tweet is called Snell, alert customization to the mats. Next tweet is called Apps Hide, it hides applications on the desktop, so you can hide apps. So if you don't want someone to know you have a jailbreak, or a certain application that you don't want someone to know, you can easily hide it. And the last tweet is called Lib Phosphort Utils, basic utilities required by half of the Phosphort tweets. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.